Handycoat Easy Joint is an interior ready-mixed jointing compound specifically formulated for gypsum boards. It has excellent application properties and provides a superior bond for jointing with either paper tape or self-adhesive mesh. It is also used for fixing metal corner beading, for patching plaster cracks, and as a general-purpose filler for cementitious surfaces. This video shows an application process of Handycoat Easy Joint for jointing of gypsum boards. For this application, you need a scraper, a spatula, a sanding block, and a brush. Ensure the boards are clean and dust-free. If necessary, clean the boards with a brush. Mix the material to a uniform consistency, adding a small amount of water if required. Use a spatula or a scraper to cover the screws with Handycoat Easy Joint. When using paper tape for jointing, use a spatula or a scraper to apply a thin layer of material to the joint and embed the paper tape accordingly. When using a self-adhesive mesh, apply the mesh directly to the joint and fill it with Handycoat Easy Joint. Apply a further layer of material to smooth the surface. Allow to dry fully and proceed for skimming. And that's it. Handycoat Easy Joint delivers low shrinkage, is easy to apply, has excellent adhesion, and excellent crack resistance.